Long ago in ancient China, there was a boy named Kong Rong.
很久以前的中国，有一个名叫孔融的男孩。
Long ago in ancient China, there was a boy named Kong Rong. He was very smart and kind.
他既聪明又善良。
He was very smart and kind. Kong Rong had 5 older brothers and 1 younger brother.
孔融有5个哥哥和1个弟弟。
Kong Rong had 5 older brothers and 1 younger brother. One day, their father brought home a basket of pears.
有一天，爸爸带回一篮梨子。
One day, their father brought home a basket of pears. The pears were big and golden, smelling sweet.
那些梨子又大又黄，香气扑鼻。
The pears were big and golden, smelling sweet. Father said, "Children, come and pick 1 pear each."
爸爸说：“孩子们，每人挑1颗梨吧。”
Father said, "Children, come and pick 1 pear each." The older brothers quickly picked the biggest pears.
哥哥们急着挑最大的梨。
The older brothers quickly picked the biggest pears, but Kong Rong chose the smallest one.
但孔融挑了最小的1颗。
But Kong Rong chose the smallest one. Father was surprised and asked, "Why don't you take a big one?"
爸爸很惊讶，问：“你为什么不挑大的呢？”
Father was surprised and asked, "Why don't you take a big one?" Kong Rong smiled and said, "I'm the youngest."
孔融笑着说：“我年纪最小。”
Kong Rong smiled and said, "I'm the youngest. The big pears should go to my older brothers."
大的梨应该留给哥哥们。
The big pears should go to my older brothers, and I should save 1 for my little brother too.
而且我也要留1颗给弟弟。
And I should save 1 for my little brother too, and of course, 1 for father and mother.
当然，还要留1颗给爸爸和妈妈。
And of course, 1 for father and mother. Father nodded with pride.
爸爸点头，感到很欣慰。
Father nodded with pride. He said, "You understand love, respect, and sharing."
他说：“你懂得爱、尊重与分享。”
He said, "You understand love, respect, and sharing."